stock Scout 195 Sportfish. Great value in a 19-footer. This is just packed with features and benefits that are going to make your day on the water enjoyable. You're going to catch fish in this boat because you've got all the right tools. In the gun rod holders on here, a live well. When you get on this boat and see the size of this live well on this boat, it's going to make you really happy because you're going to be able to keep a lot of bait alive in that. You've got a powder-coated T-top on here with shotgun rod holders on it. This backrest on this leaning post, it slides out of there too, and there's two more rod holders that are in there because you always want to have, you got to have 6/8 rods on the boat with you. Powered with a dependable Yamaha 4-stroke outboard. Two nice jump seats in the back of the boat, so when you're cruising to your favorite fishing spot, you can do it in comfort. A nice seat in front of the console as well. This is a great riding boat. The Scouts ride fantastic. It's in stock here at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Give me a call today.